Hey everyone, I thought I'd do a little flip through of these little flip things. I've actually done a really long tutorial on how I made these, so I thought I'd make a quick one now, just showing you what they are. They're little boxes that hold a little tiny notebook or a journal, and one's romantic and one's steampunk. So we'll start off with this. They're made from one piece of 12 by 12 paper. So this is a Victorian scrap, this beautiful lady on there. It looks sort of bohemian. Then I've cut out a thing behind her and a little bird there. This is all pink ink that's around here. This is a label cut from a die that backs her, and that's held down with a magnet. Then it opens up like so, and in here is a little tag. The stamping is done with a colour called Rhubarb from StazOn. This is lace, which I've gone over with the pink ink, just rubbed it on because it was white. And then the pink ink I've gone over the edge here as well. So down here there's another little pocket that's got the same sort of thing in. Because I put the pockets that way, you can't have anything big sticking out of them because of the fold. These are die cuts, and it opens up this way and this way. And it's just one 12 by 12 piece of paper. And this side has got that beautiful lady and another one backing it, and some more die cuts. A little pocket here. Some pretty images from Pinterest. These are just things I had left over from a Jane journal I did, which again I've got two separate videos on it, part 1 and part 2, if you want to check that out. And then this side opens, this little tag here, just got a tiny little lady on it, and some more of that lace. It swivels, so this comes up like that. Down here there's a bird with some ribbon on it, a couple of pockets, and another pocket there with a little card that I made. So all those images are from Pinterest. And then in the middle of it, held in by a really strong magnet, is a little book which has got some stamping in it, and it has that at the back. So to close it, you go like that, put the little thing back, that's a magnet as well. Put this up, that's a magnet as well, and then goes like that and like that. And there's the next one. This one's a steampunk one. It's not quite finished because I'm going to put some black cogs on these orange backings that you see. So that opens this way. Got these little tags with some stamping on the back. Cogs. And then it opens this way, and again there's the little tags in there with the same stamping on it, and these typewriter keys. Photograph there. It opens this way, and this is held with a magnet, and it's got these lovely little cards which have all got stamping on the back. And again that orange up there, I'm going to put some cogs on it. Another little pocket with another beautiful little tag. This one opens that way and that way. that's that one. And in the middle there's another little notebook, which again is held in with a really, really strong magnet. Oh, so strong it's taken some of his colour off there onto the balloon. Oh. So this is this little booklet. And this has all old photographs in it and washi tape. The little cars on the washi tape. Gorgeous. Another little card in there. So on the video that's the tutorial, I tell you where all of these things are from and how I did it step by step, the whole thing. But it's very, very long, so if you just want to see the items, this is the video for you. So there's go like that, and then they go like that. I might actually put another picture there as well. Uh-oh. Yes, that's right. You have to work out how they go. I'll move those in behind there so that you don't see them. So there you are. Hope you like that.